Dear viewers, I'm going to make black color bracelet for gents, and which is very suitable for male people, and the length of the chain for bracelet is 8 inches enough, because it will be folded like this and gents hand will be put, and 8 is enough. Rather half inches, this is extra because we have to join together and stitch with crochet. So let us make a chain. I am taking double black yarn for making a simple chain. So let us start. 35 chains I will put, and 1 or 2 extra for turning. Take a slip knot. I have taken slip knot with double yarn, 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain, 4 chain, and like this I will be putting 36 chains. I will show you after doing. I have made 36 chains. We can measure it. It is exactly 8 inches. Now I am going to make for bracelet one line this side, one line this side of picot stitches, simple picot stitches, not heavy, only one double crochet, that may not give more breadth to the bracelet. It will look very sleek and handsome. So I will show you how to make this. I am going to make with single yarn, not double, single. I'll show you how I'm going to do. Take out one chain, make 3 chains, 1 2 3. Now do yarn over and take loop from the foot space from where we have made the chain, and now one from 2 loops and again one from 2 loops. We have to fix it here. You see, fix it after you took loops from here. Leave one space. In the third space you have to fix it. Fix with slip stitch. Again one slip stitch in the next space, because just to give a gap, one slip stitch. Again 1 2 3, 3 chains, yarn over. In the same space pass the hook, take out yarn, reduce it, then again one chain from 2 loops. Leave one space. In the third space put it, pass the hook, slip stitch, stretch it to fix. Again in the next space you have to put slip stitch to give the gap. See, these are the 2 stitches we have made. Now I will complete this chain with the same pattern, and again I will turn here and do these stitches, and after completing I will show you. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, चेन के ऊपर ये वाला स्टिच पीको स्टिच सिंपल वाला है, सिंगल वाला, ये बनाते हुए मैं एंड पर आ गई हूँ लास्ट। अब यहाँ पर कैसे करनी है टर्निंग मैं आपको बताती हूँ। ये हमने 3 चेन्स डबल क्रोशिया कर लिया। अब इसके बाद हमें स्टिच करना है, तो यहाँ पर हम इसको फिक्स कर देंगे। ये लास्ट वाला हमारा एंडिंग चेन था ना, इसमें फिक्स कर देंगे लाइक दिस। ये हो गया। अब इसके बाद टर्न लेना है, तो नेक्स्ट में फिर हम एक और स्लिप स्टिच करेंगे टर्न लेने के लिए। और यहीं से हम 3 चेन्स करेंगे, 1 2 3। फिर इसके पैर में यहाँ से हम लेंगे, यार्न ओवर करके यार्न को इधर पुल कर लेंगे, 2 लूप का एक बना देंगे, फिर 2 लूप का एक चेन बन जाएगा। अब इसके बाद इसको यहाँ पर हम स्टिच करेंगे, एक छोड़ के तीसरे स्पेस में ऐसे, और 2 लूप का हम एक लूप बनाते हुए इसको स्ट्रेच कर लेंगे टाइटली। नेक्स्ट में हम फिर डालेंगे ताकि हम थोड़ा सा स्पेस बनाएं, गैप बनाएं और उसको पूरी ब्यूटी मिल जाए स्टिच को। ये फिर 1 2 3 और फिर यार्न ओवर, फिर उसके स्पेस में ये फुट वाला स्पेस है वहाँ पर करके डबल क्रोशिया कर लेंगे और एक स्पेस छोड़ के तीसरे में पास करके फिर सिंगल क्रोशिया करेंगे। ये अब इसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्पेस में डाल के स्लिप स्टिच से ज्वाइन करेंगे, जो कि मैंने आपको बताया गैप क्रिएट करने के लिए हमने करना है लाइक दिस। तो एक स्टिच ये बन गया टर्निंग वाला, एक ये बन गया। अब मैं ये लाइन फिर कंप्लीट करके आपको दिखाती हूँ, हमारा ब्रेसलेट बनकर तैयार हो जाएगा। कंप्लीट वीडियो देखिए, छोड़कर मत जाइए। देखिए बहुत ही ऑसम ब्रेसलेट बनने वाला है और आप बना के किसी को भी गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं। स्पेशली जैसे रक्षाबंधन आने वाला है तो अपने ब्रदर को, भतीजों को, किसी को भी आप गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं। After finishing first line, then taking U-turn and finishing the second line also, I have come to the starting point. Now I have to finish it. This stitch, double crochet, one loop. Now I will join it. You have to join it here. Take out yarn towards your side, fold this yarn back side and single chain, then again 1 chain more and 1 chain more. This is for what? You might be knowing. Let me tell you, this is for passing the button. This is a hole. You can pass the button from here. Now you can join it here. Only one hole I have given, and you will cut the yarn. Remaining yarn we can hide here in between the knitting lines. Pull it gently, again this side, very gently. This also you have to pull. I will do it afterwards. And this is the button hole. Okay, so this is the wristband for gents. You can make for girls also, taking the girlish color 1 to 8. Any girlish color you can take. This design will suit on anyone, girls, boys, kids or gents, ladies, anyone. Now let me decorate it. I'll show you. Please don't go away and watch the video. That will very. Our bracelet is ready. I told you it is going to become very awesome bracelet. So I had some pearls and diamond studs, so I want to decorate with diamonds. I will stick them with glue. Just put 1 or 2 drops only, not more than that. Now 4 diamonds in the middle, and on the sides below wrist I will put pearl stones. One that side, and I think 2 will be here on this side. You can decorate with anything you have at home. No need to go and purchase from the market. We have got so many things in the home. We can use it by our artistic mind or wisdom. So this is the bracelet ready for you, for males. Looking very graceful. See, now I will put a button here to close this, passing through this loop. If it is for ladies, then you can put tassels here for show, but for gents it is enough. So if you like this, please share, comment and subscribe. I will welcome your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye till next video. Okay. One pearl is slipped. Might be it has not been dried properly, so I will stick it again. It is fixed properly. Now I will cut the thread from back side. It is ready for wearing.